Y'all give me a minute. I'm just trying to soak in this floor plan that I've been asking for years. Welcome to the Forest River Flagstaff 26FKBS. You're looking at 29 feet 8 inches, 6,800 pounds dry. This is a front kitchen big slide unit that features a front kitchen that even Gordon Ramsay would love, surrounded by a super slide housing recliners, sofa, plus you got angled entertainment, true pass-through bathroom with a separate entry leading into the living area, and a primary suite that has its own access point. The crown jewel of the 26FKBS is really this front kitchen area. It's highlighted by counter space for days. Just go ahead and slap a week on it. You even got your dinette across from you here, located in the super slide. Now, your kitchen, I'm going to get to the window here in just a minute, but you have the double opening Magic Chef 10.7 cubic foot fridge freezer combo. You also got the drawer for your freezer. I like this because it used to be the freezer was just on one side. This is becoming a little bit more residential as manufacturers go along. And when you enter the kitchen, absolutely love this layout. Front kitchens have been around for a minute, but they finally added some tweaks that really make this one stand out. I'll show you those as we go along. Flush mounted 3-burner cooktop right here with the glass cover, as well as my knife rack located on the back. I got the decorative backsplash that goes all the way up to the top. It's just an applique, but it looks good. Solid surface countertops, oversized stainless steel sink with the high-rise faucet and pull-down sprayer, not to mention my double drying racks. But the counter space and cabinet space that you have, solid wood, decorative pulls, hideaway hinges, everything has a place and everything will be in its place, including some pull-out drawers in my cabinets. But you'll notice this one is accessible from outside. So if you have your trash can in there, you can actually not take it in, you can take it out. Absolutely love that. They even gave me the oversized oven, because if you have a true front kitchen and you like to camp cook, or you consider yourself a chef and you're saying, hey, I love, man of God, we're going to actually drive up to a true Italian neighborhood and get it. Or I'm going to go to Miami and get some of those just freaking pressed Cuban sandwiches. Go to Kansas City, get the ribs, whatever. Now you have a space that actually you can cook it after you get it. This oven, much bigger than the 16 or 17s, which usually come in front kitchen models. So allowing you to actually cook. Then when you want to enjoy that camp cooked meal, you got the plush overstuffed cushions. Take a look at how thick those are inside your booth dinette here. The table continues that gray decor that you have in throughout the coach, and this is one of those coffee table tables. So it actually goes down, uses the support as your bed in the dinette. That, I got to tell you, it'd be cramped if you put 2 people in here, but you could get 2. You just have to spoon. Got the high ceiling in the slide. Got the actual pull-down shades for my windows, as well as the solid wood valances, and enough room over here to actually turn it into a dance floor if you wanted to, because I'm going to be right under my vent, as well as my 15K BTU ducted AC. Now, let's check out this living area. As soon as you walk into the 26FKBS, you're greeted by some ward storage with removable shelves as well as hangers, plus a little mudroom space. And this cardboard box houses the griddle that comes with the 26FKBS, so you can cook inside as well as outside. Now, your command panel here has everything from running out your awning and your 2 slides to checking your tanks, cutting on your water heater as well as your tank pads, because you have 12-volt heated pads on your tanks. You got a 54-gallon fresh, 90-gallon gray, 45-gallon black, and you even have the upgraded touchscreen for your air Excel controls. 15K BTU AC, high output furnace, as well as a 5,000 BTU fireplace to enjoy the living area. This is another feature that I wish they would have done more in front kitchen units, the entertaining area. I got recliners here with the oversized console, wireless charging, cup holders, surrounded by windows. I got storage up top for whatever I need, and the fact that it's strut supported just adds to the accentuation of the beauty and style that Flagstaff is known for. Rockwood and Flagstaff are tough to beat when it comes to RVs. Fireplace, got a spot I can put my shoes if I come back from hiking and they're cold. Plus, I got my TV right there. But what do you see beside the entertaining area? 2 doors. Why? Because you have an access to the bedroom as well as a pass-through bathroom. That to me is huge, because if somebody's in the shower or somebody's using the bathroom, I can still come from the bedroom to the kitchen and not mess with them, and vice versa. Or if somebody's sleeping in here, I can use a bathroom and not disrupt them, and vice versa. So let's check out this bathroom. Pass-through bathrooms are so important because separation of space. If you do have additional people sleeping with you, the noise, the sound, the smells, the steam, all of that, not going to bug anything. And the fact that your doorway here, the pocket door, is even finished off up top, just adds to that privacy. Neo-angled shower right here. And I even have the shower miser system on my shower, so that's going to help reduce water usage. Oversized skylight with a crystal inlay. Good room here, but check out my sink. Oh, shower handle wants to grab me. Press surface countertop, square style, matte black features, mirrored medicine cabinet, as well as some storage underneath. GFCI outlet, linen storage, and they even gave me a high-rise porcelain bowl with the foot flush, towel hanger, and a max vent fan. What's unique and nice about the fact that this door, which separates the living area from the bedroom and bathroom, has this space up here that allows the steam to get out, but this max vent fan right here is going to move about 1 foot of air per second. That's going to help cool the coach, but also get that steam out as well. But I know I mentioned the kitchen being the crown jewel. This might actually be the other crown jewel. Kind of looks like a 5th wheel bedroom, doesn't it? Yeah, in a travel trailer that's not even 30 feet long. We're looking at 29 feet, 8 inches. Check out the queen size bed in its own slide in a front kitchen RV. I have a mirrored ward closet right here with the metal hanger. So it's not just a ward bar. You have the groove hangers to help keep your racks in place, but good space. I even got a chest of drawers underneath, solid wood, full extension on drawer guides. Windows on both sides, side curtains, valances, frosted glass inlay, reading lights. I even have a charging station over here under the window. This configuration, these additions, as well as the 2 doors leading into the bathroom, as well as the living area, something you don't see in a lot of RVs. I've been asking for this for a while. Add that to the fact that you got strut-supported storage underneath, accessible from the outside if you need it, and drawers. Yeah, this is motorhome, this is 5th wheel. This is the type of stuff you do not see in travel trailers, especially travel trailers under 30 feet. Then, if you do have the kids, or you just want to go see the sunrise, the sunset, walk the beach, you got your own separate access. And beside that is going to be my solar charge controller, so I can come in and instantly know where I'm at with power. Very nice all the way around. Add that to the fact that I'm wired for a second AC right here if I want it. You don't really need it, but if you're going to go do some deep 3, maybe even 4-season camping in hot weather, go ahead, ask our folks at Camping World to get that added in for you. From the decorative headboard to the spaces, to the style, to the front kitchen, the 26FKBS is checking all my boxes for the active cooking couple. Now, let's go see the outside. The outside of the Flagstaff Super Lite 26FKBS is highlighted by frameless windows, armored underbelly, as well as 2 spots if you want to set up an outside kitchen. Up front, you're going to get some awesome camp conveniences like powered tongue jack, twin 30-pound LP tanks, plus you got your battery box down here. Diamond-plated rock guard at the bottom, right above the single welded frame, which is giving me really good support for this coach. Look at that molded fiberglass end cap with the profile. That's going to help a little bit with the towing and the, the wind and all of that. It's just a super high coach. I would like to see it a little bit more angled at the top to give me even less wind resistance, but the height more than makes up for it on the interior, and that automotive windshield that we have up front acts as a great privacy glass. I can look outside. They can't see me on the inside. Watching the sunrise over that kitchen, sipping coffee. Come on, man. On the campsite is where you're going to see your storage access. Now, this is also how you get to your sink. If I got the trash can in here, I can easily pull it out. You'll see you got your sprayer right here. I even have a magnetic holder for my outside shelf, which I'm gonna show you here in just a second, and the door opens from the side. I like how it's not top opening. That's very nice. I got my powered stabilizer jacks, Zamp quick connect, so if I want to get the solar panels additional, I can. This one does have a solar panel already on it. So the back of the water heater, back of the furnace. Do me a favor, don't put any chairs right there. Don't ask me how I know. Frameless windows, marine grade speakers, an awning that stretches almost the entire length of the campsite, and 2 solid step-over steps leading me in to the entrance point here. Extra large grab handle for the main kitchen area, extra large grab handle for the bedroom area as well. I got nitro-filled tires. You'll notice too that these are the Goodyear Endurance tires. They're E-rated, so they're a little bit better, gonna do better on the highway. Plus they got tire pressure monitoring on them. Can't tell you how important that is. And when you want to set up some outside spaces, great for a shelf, put the griddle on there if you want to. You even have another one on the other side. Power, cable connection, outside shower with hot and cold, plus your fresh tank fill. Right back here is going to be your main connection center. You got your tank flush, your city water connection, as well as your cable connections. Only thing I don't like about this is pretty far on this side. I'd much rather have it on the off-camp side around the end, but I understand we got a lot of stuff going on over there. 4x4 Suro storage, spare tires, solid ladder mounted on the back, backup camera prep, as well as our 50 amp plug that we have right here because we are wired for second AC. Slide, which is insulated all the way around. That's another thing about these Flagstaffs, the Super Lites, the all aluminum construction that they build on these, make them sturdy, make them lighter, but it's just a well-built, extremely strong coach. That right there is under the primary bedroom. You'll see great spot. If you got the cases of water, you don't want to lug them up the stairs, you can just chuck them into here. Magnetic anti-slam, would just like to see my hinge covered. Terminations right here. And once again, we're looking at 54, 90, and 45. That's on your fresh, your gray, and your black. Big tree, watch out for that. And your info panel. Probably one of the most important things to look at when looking for a coach. How much does it weigh? What's the difference between the gross as well as the unloaded weight? That's that stuff if you take it back to your specialists at Camping World, we can help you pick the RV that's gonna be right for you. But at 29 feet 8 inches, 6,800 pounds dry, we're under 30 feet, so I can get into the state parks, no problem. It is a front kitchen unit with a pass-through bathroom, separate access door, both on the inside and outside for the primary bedroom. I've been asking for this layout for a minute because I think for couples who want to get out, maybe the emerging family that needs the additional sleeping space, you're going to have what you need inside of this one. I love the layout. I absolutely love the layout, but I could be way off base. Let me know. Leave me some comments down below. Did you like it? Did you not like it? What would you change? Where would you take it if it were yours? Because that construction, the aluminum plus the foam insulation, the vacuum bonding, this is going to do a good job of keeping the temperature where you want it. And you can pick up this Flagstaff Super Lite 26FKBS at your local Camping World or at rv.campingworld.com. And please, while you're leaving me some comments down below, let me know. Click like, subscribe, and notify, because you never know. The next time we do one of these and you get home from work, RV your dreams might be waiting for you on your email inbox. I'm Chris Young. Hope you enjoyed the 26FKBS Flagstaff Super Lite. I'll see you soon.